House K is a family home that combines space efficiency with the beauty of modern design. Designed by Kart Projects Architecture and located in Fairfield, Australia. This 143 square meter house was completed in 2021. It serves as a perfect example of a home that optimizes space without compromising comfort or aesthetics. The homeowner's primary request was to create a single-story house while retaining most of the garden space on a relatively small plot. The design solution, removing an ineffective old extension and replacing it with a 50 square meter addition. This strategy increased the building's footprint by 30 square meters while maximizing every inch of space by overlapping functions rather than simply adding new rooms. The outdoor areas follow a similar approach, integrating zones for planting, swimming, and gathering. Features such as the above-ground pool, a long concrete bench, and a steel outdoor fireplace add dimension and functionality to the garden space. The new addition is set back slightly from the northern boundary to maximize natural light, creating dual bright aspects for the living room. The interior design utilizes coffered ceilings, inspired by the cellular plan of the original weatherboard house. These high ceilings, along with a skylight, create a sense of spaciousness and brightness, allowing natural light to penetrate deeper into the home. At the center of the new space is an innovative storage volume. In addition to concealing the TV and other technologies, this element integrates a daybed that connects the home office in the original house with the family area in the new extension. Materials and colors are used to distinguish different parts of the house. The original house is divided into two zones, a light volume for the children's bedrooms and the study, and a darker, moody volume for the master bedroom and en suite. By contrast, the new spaces are much brighter, featuring terrazzo flooring, plywood joinery, and simple walls. The modern kitchen boasts minimalist black cabinets that create an elegant contrast. Externally, the new addition is distinguished with a combination of dark cladding and deep red accents on doors and facade fins, adding texture and depth while protecting openings from direct sunlight. House K demonstrates how smart design can transform a small house into a bright, functional living space that remains connected to its surrounding environment. By blending modern and traditional elements, this home offers inspiration for anyone looking to maximize the potential of a compact plot. Don't forget to stay tuned to Block 7 for more home design inspirations from around the world. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos.